The top 5 strongest air defense systems in the world are: first up, the S-400 Triumph. Developed by Russia's Almaz Central Design Bureau, this system boasts multiple capabilities, including radar, detection and targeting systems, anti-aircraft missile systems, and a command and control center. It can engage multiple targets, including aircraft and cruise missiles, with a maximum range of 400 kilometers and an altitude of 56 kilometers. Next, we have the Iron Dome. Hailing from Israel, this short-range ground-to-air defense system has a maximum range of 70 kilometers. Developed jointly by Israel Aerospace Industries and Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, it features the Tamar interceptor and radar for tracking and destroying incoming rockets and airborne threats. Third on the list is the Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, or THAAD. This American ballistic missile defense system is designed to protect against hostile incoming threats, including strategic and theater ballistic missiles. With a 100% success rate in its last 16 block tests, THAAD can reach altitudes of up to 150 kilometers and has a range of 200 kilometers. David's Sling, which was co-developed by Raytheon and Israel's Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, is a flexible defense system that integrates medium to long-range ballistic missile interceptors and surface-to-air missile systems. It has a range of up to 300 kilometers and uses the Stunner interceptor rocket, which can reach altitudes of 15 kilometers. The S-300 VM, also known as the Anti-2500, is a long-range multi-channel ballistic missile defense system developed by Almaz Anti. It can overcome short and medium-range ballistic missiles, aeroballistic cruise missiles, fixed-wing aircraft, and precision-guided munitions. The S-300 VM has a range of 200 kilometers and can reach targets at altitudes of up to 30 kilometers. Air and missile defense systems are designed to detect, track, and intercept aerial threats such as aircraft, missiles, and drones. So here's a general overview of how they work. Air and missile defense systems use radar systems to detect and track aerial threats. These radars emit electromagnetic waves that bounce off the target, providing information on its location, speed, and direction. Once a target is detected, the system uses identification friend or foe, or IFF systems to figure out whether it is friendly or hostile. Air and missile defense systems use interceptor missiles to engage and destroy aerial threats. These missiles are guided by the system's radar and sensors. Some systems also use gun systems, such as anti-aircraft artillery, to engage targets at close range. And some advanced systems can also use electronic warfare techniques like jamming or spoofing to disrupt or disable the target. The air and missile defense system is typically controlled from a command center, where operators keep an eye on the system's sensors and radars. The operators use the data from the sensors and radars to make decisions about whether to engage a target. The command center also communicates with other air and missile defense systems, as well as with friendly aircraft, to coordinate responses to aerial threats. There are several types of air and missile defense systems out there. For example, the Patriot, or MIM-104, is a land-based air defense system developed by the United States. The S-400, also known as Triumph, is a land-based air defense system from Russia. The Aegis Combat System is a naval air defense system developed by the United States. And the Iron Dome is a land-based air defense system from Israel. These are just a few examples, and honestly, each system has its own unique characteristics and capabilities.